Are there any applications?
No applications.
And each cause number, Mr. Albert, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
This is not your usual courtroom moment. What you're about to see is a defendant who shows up with an attitude so smug and disrespectful that it shocks everyone in the room. From the second he speaks, it's clear he has no respect for process, no concern for the charges, and no awareness of how serious this hearing really is. Judge Boyd stays calm, but you can almost feel the tension building. Every answer from this defendant sounds careless, every response more arrogant than the last. And the more he talks, the more it feels like he's digging himself deeper. This isn't just a routine hearing. It's a rare look at how far someone will push their luck, even while standing in front of a judge who holds their future in her hands. What happens next will leave you wondering if arrogance can blind someone completely to reality.
20 years in prison. And each cause number, the court will, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, are there any applications?
No applications.
And each cause number, Mr. Albert, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each cause number?
I do, Your Honor.
State and the cause number ending in 4655A. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe so, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 4656A. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe so, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 4657B. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Counsel, I'm sorry, Mr. Albert, and each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, you're charged with burglary of a building as a habitual. That makes those cases second-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering into this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into pleas in these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a point where Judge Boyd is spelling out the deal in plain English, and yet the defendant acts like he's just casually agreeing to a phone contract. No emotion, no concern, just flat answers. It's almost like he doesn't realize these aren't small charges. This is years of his life on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offenses?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Mr. Albert, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. You are to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or 2 more felonies for enhancement. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The cases will run concurrently. State will take in consideration CM 118202, 118206, 118347, and it's to be restitution to the complainants. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 4655A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Good.
And to the enhancement allegations, how do you plead? True or not true?
Yes, that's true.
Well, I mean, are they true or are they not true?
I mean, I ain't get the reading, I guess. I mean, yeah, that's true. I signed it. It's true.
All right. Well, let's do it this way.
No, I signed it, ma'am. That's true.
All right. So you're saying that the habitual offender enhancement allegations, you're saying that those are true?
That right there is the key moment. By admitting the enhancements are true, he's locking himself into harsher punishment. Most people would show some regret or even hesitation, but this guy just shrugs it off. It's rare to see someone so careless when the judge is literally handing him more time behind bars.
It's true.
All right. And then in cause number 2024 CR 4656A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And to the enhancements in that cause number, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
And in cause number 2024 CR 4657B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And to the enhancements, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State, do you have any evidence to support the defendants, please?
Each case should be contained in Exhibit 1 of the attachments, Your Honor.
No objection to State's Exhibit 1 on each of the three cases, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the documents entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right. In each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea are true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Ask the court to follow the plea agreement, Your Honor.
All right. And the cause number 2024 CR 4655A, the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine.
And there it is. For years locked away, plus a fine. For all his attitude and silence. The end result is exactly what you'd expect. The system doesn't bend for arrogance. If anything, it makes the judge even less patient. At the end of the day, he got the deal he agreed to, and now he has to live with it.
Time and money will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 4657B, 2024 CR 4656A. Taking consideration CM 118202, 118206, 118347. There's to be no contact and restitution to the owners of Golden Chick, located at 2299 Northwest Military Highway. There's to be no contact with Jodeci, Jodeci. Is there anything with regards to sentencing in that cause number? Anything else?
Not from defense counsel, Judge.
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because it is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And cause number 2024 CR 4656A, court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
And that wraps up this case. What do you think? Was justice served, or did this sovereign citizen get off too lightly? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more cases like this.